Hi and welcome to this tutorial. Now in this tutorial video, I'm going to show you some useful Windows 7 tips and tricks that you must know. Now you'll find this amazing that some Windows 7 users or even you don't know about these tips and tricks that I'm about to show you. Now when you look at my taskbar here, I'm having 4 applications that are already running. So I'm just going to click on them. I have Paint, I have Notepad++, I have Notepad, and I also have Microsoft Word. They are all open at the same time. So what I want to do now for example, they are all on screen at the moment, but I want Microsoft Word to be the only applications that will be on screen for now. I want the rest to be minimized. Now to do that, I can use a simple trick. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to place my mouse pointer at the title bar of the Microsoft application. So when I just shake it, as you can see, it has minimized all the other applications that were behind it. So that's a simple trick. Now if I want to maximize it, I can just double click on the title bar to maximize it. To restore it back, I can double click. Now one other option that I can show you to maximize it is, instead of clicking on the maximize button here, I can just drag the title bar and place it on top here quickly. Then as you can see, you have a transparent background that appears behind. So I'll just release my mouse, then it will maximize it. Now one other option is, now let's say for example, I have Notepad and Paint on screen, 2 application windows, but I want them to be side by side. So I can drag the Notepad title bar here and drag it at the left hand side. So when I drag it at the left, when it goes halfway, you will see that it shows you a transparent background that is halfway. So when I just release my mouse, it will just make that application take half of the screen. So I will do the same thing to this one. I will just drag it at the right hand side, then the same thing will appear. Then I have these 2 windows side by side, so I can work with them. Now one other option I'm going to show you is, let's say now I have 4 of these applications opened, right? So I can right click on my taskbar here, then I click Cascade Windows. So when I click Cascade Windows, you see how it automatically arranges all the applications that I opened. Then I can also say Show Windows Stacked. So when I click Show Windows Stacked, now when you do that, you'll see how it will arrange the applications on screen. Now I can also say, let me just click Cascade Windows again, then I right click, then I say Show Windows Side by Side. So it will also do the same thing. Then now, so I can say Undo Side by Side. Now one other thing is, if you want to minimize all at the same time, you can just come, there's a small button here which says Show Desktop. So when you click on it, all the windows will be minimized. Now another useful option is by using the keyboard shortcut to navigate. Now for example, if I hold down the Windows key and I press Tab, you'll see I will have a 3D view of my applications. Then I will just be pressing the Tab key to move from one application to another. So if at all I want Word, I have to make sure Word is in front, then I release the Windows key, then Word will be the application that I will be seeing on screen. I can also use another keyboard shortcut, which is the Alt and Tab. So when I press Alt and Tab, that will also switch between the opened application windows. So I hope these tips and tricks are useful, so you can use them. It makes you work faster. Thanks for watching.